Ladies and gentlemen, the horses and jockeys are at the starting gate for the day's 20th race here at the Flesherton Downs. Oh boy, what a race it's gonna be. And they're off! Out of the gate, Secular Terrier is off to an early lead with Lucky Larry right behind him. Lucky Larry pulling ahead. Number 16, Never Gonna Quit Coming, is coming around the outside, neck and neck with Ocean Cookie. Son of Tom Hanks, Tam Honks is making a move up the middle now, but Bip Bop Bippity Boop Boop is holding position. Bip Bop Bippity Boop 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 bumps in with I Just Burst the Blood Festival in the second turn. Ocean Cookie takes the lead with a stride. Two men in a horse costume were favored to win this thing, but they've fallen way behind. Hooves are flying as Son of Tom Hanks, Tam Honks tries to pull around the outside, but can't get past number 12, Todd. They're making the final turn now, but it looks like a two-horse race. Ridiculous Premise and How's This Thing Gonna End are neck and neck, going all out. It's Ridiculous Premise. No, it's How's This Thing Gonna End. Ridiculous Premise. How's this thing gonna end? Hold the phone. Coming out of nowhere now on the outside. It's a Lazy Fade Out. That's right, people. I can't believe it. A Lazy Fade Out has won the Flesherton Derby in a stunning upset over Ridiculous Premise. And how's this thing gonna end? Wow, what a legend of a horse. A Lazy Fade Out will go down in the history books as the greatest racing horse of all time. I swear.